Hey everyone, welcome to Income Buddies, the place where future billionaires come together. Today, we are going to learn about 7 tips of spending money. If you like our videos, remember to like and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Create a budget. Learn how to create a budget is one of the most important life skills. Budgeting is the bread and butter of managing your personal finance efficiently. The first step is always to track your monthly spending and income. This will help you to get an accurate picture of your current financial health. What I usually do is to write down my purchase in my trusty notebook. This process will usually take less than 5 minutes to track my daily expenses. At the end of each month, I'll review my expenses. By making a comparison of my income and expense, I'll get a rough idea of the financial health and know if I'm overspending my income. And here are some tips to track your expenses. Number 1. Organize. List your purchase by categories such as food, clothing, entertainment, or bills. 2. Categories. These categories with the highest monthly spending are great targets for saving money. Number 3. Breakdown. Instead of just a monthly budget, you may want to drill down to a weekly budget for each category. And lastly, number 4. Allocation. Total budget have to be smaller than your income for that period, and with some leftover for saving and investing. Number 2. Plan your purchase. Like almost all things related to success, planning is always the key. Spending money wise is not an exception. If you want to spend your money wisely, you have to plan your purchase. Buying something just because you feel like it don't usually leads to good financial decisions. Often, making a purchase without a proper planning can balloon your spending. And here are some tips for spending your purchase. Before you go down to your shopping expedition, do some research on the items which you intend to purchase. Look at the price they are selling, and look at the reviews of the items before making a commitment to purchase it online or at retail. Next, you can also write down what you need to buy before going for your shopping trip. This will not only save you money, but will also save you time as well. Have you heard of window shopping? The amazing feeling that enjoying the shopping experience but not spending money? While you're doing the window shopping, take note of the price of the items sold on different stores. Only after you are sure you want the item, then you may want to commit on the purchase. Next will be focus. There are tons of things you want, but only a few that you really need. The more focused you are on what you want when you are in the store, the less you will spend. And lastly, beware of freebies. Taking and accepting free samples may convince you to make a decision on buying right now. A decision that you may regret later. Number 3. Avoid impulse purchase. Impulse purchase is a no-no. If planning your purchase is a good idea, buying something on an impulse is a terrible one. A year ago, I bought a wedding photography package while doing window shopping, and I paid on the spot because the package sounds so cheap, and it comes with all sorts of freebies. After I told my girlfriend on the purchase, she scolded me for weeks for buying a wedding package without her consent. My friends show no pity either, so be warned. And here are some tips to avoid impulse purchase. When you are doing window shopping, do with care. Don't make a purchase decision when your judgment is impaired. Guys and girls, remember, alcohol, drugs, or even lack of sleep can reduce your ability to make sensible decisions. Number 4. Make your own decision. Always make your own decision during shopping. Remember the time that your friends say that the dress looks beautiful on you, and 10 minutes later, both of you brought something from that store? Your children, friends, or even colleagues whose taste you respect can influence you to spend extra money. Every day, kids have convinced thousands of parents to spend extra money on things they may not want in the future. And here is some advice to you when doing shopping. Do not take advice from the store employee too seriously. Take their advice with a pinch of salt. Remember, they are here to sell you something. Listen politely, but make purchase decision on your own. Number 5. Pay in full. Credit cards and 0% installment plan are the main reason that people overspend. They increase your appetite to spend by 2 main reasons. Number 1, you spend your future money which you don't have right now. Number 2, you don't physically see that you are giving your money to the salesperson when you're purchasing the item. With a simple wave of the credit card and no physical cash exchange in hand makes buying stuff easy. The ease of payment makes you feel that you haven't spent anything. And here are some tips. Don't run a bar tab or use installment for consumer items, because the delay in payment will confuse you how much you actually spend. Pay in cash, so that every transaction feels real and not just some digital numbers. And my favorite, bring just enough cash. Not too much, just slightly more than what you need. And lastly, set a budget for your weekly budget withdrawal rather than making a withdrawal whenever you run out of money. Number 6. Sales and discount. Sell, sell, sell. Everyone loves sales. Similar to investing, when we buy during a sale, we should also buy our everyday items during sale as well. We should always wait for sale and discount for a purchase. If you know you will need an item in the future, it may be a good idea to buy it during a sale, toilet rolls included. And here are some ways you can purchase an item cheaply. First, use a coupon. Most shops nowadays have some sort of coupons available for the customer. Even fast food chains like McDonald's and KFC have coupons online for you to search for them. Buy the product you need in the future during the end of season sale. Store owners will usually put their winter clothes selections on sale during the summertime when no one is buying. But during winter, the coat may cost twice as much. Well, $1 saved is $1 you want to invest in the future. Number 7. Reward yourself. Some may ask, do rewarding yourself can really help you on spending money wisely? The answer is yes. Research has shown giving yourself occasional inexpensive treats can actually help you to focus on your goals. Heard of the term cheat day? The term that the gym junkies love, the day where gym lovers can eat whatever they want for that one particular day of the week. But this cheat day comes with a condition. They have to complete what they should do for the rest of the week, aka exercise. Once the mission is complete, they can reward themselves on the cheat day for a job well done. The cheat day is important because it can be very tough doing workout and eating protein powder without break. At some point of time, you'll basically give up and start eating everything you like. This is a similar concept on spending money. If you suddenly stop spending all your wants without a break, it will be very tough. You may eventually give up and splurge much more than you should. Balance is the key. The goal is to give yourself a small reward once a while to keep your spirit up and prevent an uncontrollable splurge later. Hey, thanks for watching Income Buddies. Be sure to like and subscribe because more great content like this is on the way. We are curious to know, are you using any of these tips when you are spending your money? Come and let us know in the comments below. Wow, you're still here. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. Here is your bonus. The secret of being wealthy is not just learning how to spend money wisely, but it is the idea of how to increase your income over a period of time. A controlled spending with an increase of income will allow you to accumulate massive amount of wealth. And this is basically how the rich get richer. If you have stayed with us till this point and want to prove that you are a true buddy, please write "spend wisely" in the comments below. Make your desire public so we can keep you accountable for them. Thanks for spending time with us, and make sure to like and subscribe so you'll never miss another video. See you on our next video. Bye! Income Buddies signing out.